obviously you have the ability to do content across the screen. Being able to take notes while you're watching a Skype session, for example. So you could be browsing the web, looking at content. Conversely, you could be having a Skype call and taking notes with your colleagues, right? So let me go ahead and find a new sheet of paper here.
And then a lot of also work is done in customized controller set.
You take a call. You can also go as far as a proper notebook experience, right?
What we've also done is enable quite a flexible variety of use cases.
Being able to browse content. Again, you can see it across the scene. You're able to mark it up. And also, obviously, drawn.
In those cases where you feel you're going to be in a prolonged gaming session, we allow this mode. You can actually take the controllers off, put them on this device.
You can do a lot of interesting things.
It allows this to be
You know what the like the color
coffee table or desk.
And as you can see, right, I can draw on
Draw
the
across
scene.
the fold.
Across the fold as well.
It can also touch the mouse. So in that case, that's how we got this. You can mouse. As you see here,
And drawing across the fold is also a feat, right, in the sense that
one of the things we also want to highlight, and you can see, is actually this is F1, the same game that you saw playing before. So
That is really cool.
taking your gaming experience and running your desktop game, you can do that. Are you a gamer?
being able to draw across the fold and also multiple fingers, right? So
Is it 10 or how many points of touch?
I want to say
5.
it's at least 5.
Oh, okay. Yes, we have that.
There's 10.
Yeah, that's crazy.
And I think you can do. I'll try this. I'm trying to figure out how to do 10 across the fold. Ready?
Wow.
You can do 10 across the fold.
Are there any ports on it?
Yes, there's USB-C here and here.
Yes. You don't want to go back to your desktop when it's shut down.